Hello students, welcome to RHchemistry. In today's video, I am going to discuss about priority order of all medical colleges in Karnataka. In the part 1 of this video, yesterday I have explained all government colleges in Karnataka priority list. That also I have added in this particular case, and this list I have prepared depending on the last year cutoff, GM cutoff, general merit cutoff. Because we have to have some criteria, so I have followed that criteria. So in this video, first I will give you whatever I have given in the last video, the list, right? In that Vims, Bellary and Gadag was left out, so that also I have added according to the last year general merit cutoff. So that you will see first. See, priority of only government colleges. So BMC Bangalore, then Mysore, then Hubli, then Hassan, then Boring and Lady Curzon Bangalore, then JIMS Gulbarga, then Mandya, then Belgaum, Bellary. Bellary is present in the 9th position, remember. So after Belgaum I kept that depending on that cutoff. Then BIMS Bidar, then ESIC Bangalore, ESIMS Shivamogga, then JIMS Gadag. This was left out in that last video. So 14th RIMS Raichur, 15th SIMS Chamarajanagar, ESIC Gulbarga, then Kodagu, then Karwar, then Koppal. These are the 19 medical colleges which are present in Karnataka. Once again, the students are asking in the comment section that any new seats are added in these colleges or any new government colleges are added. Till now, they have not given any news about that, so I can't say that. Yes. Now, very important point, that is priority list of all 51 medical colleges in Karnataka I have given. Here, all 51 medical colleges means why have mixed with private and the government. Here, remember, I have considered only general merit government seats. Government seats ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, private college ಅಲ್ಲಿ government seat in private college will have almost 2 lakh fees. Up to 2 lakh fees, 1,20,000 to 2 lakh fees. Government colleges in government anta ಅಂದಾಗ around 70,000 up to 70,000 fees will be there. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅಪ್ ಟು 2 lakh 3 lakh ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೇ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. Yearly paying 3 lakh, just more than a middle class family also they can think about that, giving that much amount. And for them this list will be helpful depending on nearer to their house, or you can say nativity, or the atmosphere where they have learnt up to 12th. These are the things they can consider and choose the college in this particular case. Hence I have taken all 51 Karnataka medical colleges, I have merged with the government medical colleges Karnataka. So here I have not considered private seats in the private college, remember that. So for example, first one, once again Bangalore, no doubt in it. First priority for the best student is Bangalore, then Mysore, then Hubli. It is no doubt. The fourth one is Hassan. Idadmele fifth one I have taken Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. So Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore I have taken because if you compare the this particular what you can say cutoff of the last year GM, so Hassan and this Kasturba Medical College. So Hassan last year it was there like remember that is a fourth one, so 607, and Kasturba Medical College it is there around 610. So then also I have taken that to the fifth position because first preference given to government college, then private. Then sixth one I have taken Boring Lady Curzon. Then seventh one I have taken MS Ramaya, MSRIT Bangalore. MSRIT ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ Boring Lady Curzon ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 608 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ MSRIT ಅರೌಂಡ್ 595 ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬೋರಿಂಗ್ ಕರ್ಜನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ MSRIT ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ KV ಗೌಡ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ KV ಗೌಡ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ KV ಗೌಡ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 580, ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ MSRIT. ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ, ದೆನ್ private JSS Mysore, sorry Jagadguru Murugarajendra Medical College Davangere. So this I have considered after Gulbarga because once again depending on the cutoff marks, all those cutoff marks, once again I will not tell for all those cutoff marks, you can go through this particular cutoff analyzer and you can analyze that. Yes. Then MIMS Mandya, once again a government medical college. Then 12th one Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences Bangalore I have kept after MIMS. Then the 13th one BIMS Belgaum government. once again government Bellary, government Bidar, government ESIC Bangalore, government Shivamogga. Then I have kept Father Muller Medical College, Mangalore. So Father Muller Medical College, Mangalore I have kept. The reason for that is, remember, Father Muller is around 550 and Shivamogga is around 562. So hence I have kept after Shivamogga Father Muller Medical College. Then JSS Mysore. Remember, JSS Mysore is the one which is a deemed university. We know that. So it is deemed university. So one thing I will tell you at the end of the video, there are only 5 deemed university colleges. They have given some amount, which means 12 to 20 medical class, this government seats to the, you can say, government KEA under. So deemed universities, we have 11 in our Karnataka. But out of that 1 is JSS. 5 medical colleges, deemed universities, they have given some government seats for the KEA. So hence, not more, 5 or 6 it will be there, up to 20. So deemed university, but I have kept JSS Mysore because it is around 540 last year cutoff, and we know that Father Muller is 550, right? Then 20, JIMS Gadag I have considered. Then it is SDM Medical College, Dharwad. SDM Medical College, Dharwad yak bantu antandre, in case of the Gadag, it is 535, in case of the Gadag, it is around 536. And SDM Medical College is around 535 like that. So SDM is 530 like that, 530. Hence I have kept after 21 SDM Medical College. That is also very good college. So after 2022, Vaidehi Institute of Medical Science, Bangalore I have kept. Because Vaidehi is around 530. SDM and Vaidehi almost same. So Vaidehi is around 530. Hence I have kept after 21, 22 is Vaidehi. Then, see, once again I will tell you, out of all this, remember, only one, that is, you can say, Kasturba, yeah, I have not kept Kasturba, hence Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. Yes, there are 2 deemed universities. One is JSS, another one is Kasturba Medical College. These are the only 2 universities it is there in this particular slide. So next slide I will show you another 3, right? So after 22, 23, AJ Institute of Medical Science, Mangalore I kept. Then 24, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College. This is also deemed university. Remember, this is also deemed university. Remember that. Then KCET Medical College, Mangalore. This is also deemed university. Remember, this is also deemed university. Remember, our total 4 deemed universities are over. Then only 1 deemed university is left. That is NEPOYA Medical College. At the end, I will tell you. 26th, I have kept Government College, Raichur. 27, Chamarajanagar. 28th, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Bangalore. Because Chamarajanagar is around 518 and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College is around 520. So 520, 518, but I have given some importance for the Government Medical College first. Then BGS Medical Science, Bangalore. Then ESIC Gulbarga. Then Kodagu, this is once again Government Medical College. Then Karwar. Then NEPOYA Medical College. See, NEPOYA Medical College is also, remember, deemed university. Deemed university. After Karwar I kept, because for NEPOYA Medical College it is around 500 and for Karwar it is around 507. Hence 507. After that 33 I kept NEPOYA. After that it will come Koppal, the last medical college in the government college list. Koppal is around 496. And after that I have kept Adichunchanagiri, that is 496. That is also 496. So now all the colleges are private medical colleges from 34 to 51 ranks. Yes. So after 35, 36, MVJ Medical College, Bangalore. Then Saptagiri Institute of Medical Science, Bangalore. Then 38th, Shamnuru Shivshankarappa Institute of Medical Science, Davangere. Then 39th, Al-Amin Medical College, Vijaypura. Then 40th, Mahadevappa Rampura Medical College, Kalburgi. Then 41, S. Nijlingappa Medical College, Bagalkot. Navodaya Medical College, Raichur. So 43, Sri Basaveshwar Medical College, Chitradurga. And 44, Subbaya Institute of Medical Science, Shivamogga. Then 45, Srinivas Institute of Medical College, Mangalore. And one thing you remember, all these medical colleges I have considered according to, I told you already, that is last year cutoff. For example, I will tell you. See, 36 MVJ I kept, right? So MVJ, Adichunchanagiri I told, that is around 496. Yaudu Adichunchanagiri. Then MVJ, remember, that is 495. 495, right? Then Saptagiri Institute of Medical Science, Saptagiri is around, remember, more than this 495, that is, I will tell you exactly, 495, that is also 495, same Saptagiri also. Then Shamnur Shivshankarappa Medical College, that is around 495, that is also 495. Then Al-Amin Medical College, Al-Amin Medical College, that is 488, Al-Amin is 488, hence I have kept, see, all those I have kept in the decreasing order. Mahadevappa Rampure, if you see, that is 485. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾವನ್ನು, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು GM ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಸೀಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ಸೊ GM ಸೀಟ್ಸ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 45 ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ದೆನ್ 46 East Point College of Medical Science Bangalore, then 47 Akash Institute of Medical Science Bangalore, then 48 Kanchur Institute of Medical Science Bangalore, and 49 Sridevi Institute of Medical Science Tumkur, and 50 Oxford Medical College Bangalore, and 51 Kaja Bande Nawaz Institute of Medical Science Gulbarga. Here also I will show you. East Point Medical College, the mark is 472, right? So Akash Institute of Medical College, that is around 470. Then Kanchur Institute of Medical Science College, that is 470, that is also, right? So Sridevi Institute of Medical Science, that is 470, once again same. Then Oxford Medical College, that is 467, and the least marks they have got it for Kaza Bande Nawaz, that is around 460 last year, that is for Kada Bande Nawaz Institute of Medical Science Gulbarga. So like this I have decreasing order. ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟಿಗೆ 460 ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ 460 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 50, ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅಂದಾಜಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 510ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ GM ಸೀಟ್ಸ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So like this is the order. Definitely the same order you can take if you are a SC, if you are a ST, if you are a category 1. So if you are a category 2, category 2A, 2B, SCG, see, all those seats will be filled if you consider, so almost in the similar order. So this is the order which is analyzed only by me, is the order given by RH. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜವ್ರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಮೊದಲು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅದು ಯಾವುದೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರೋವಂಥ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಲ್ ನೌ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.